Hi peaches, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share with you 4 simple super cute hairstyles you can do to save the day if you are having a really bad hair day. Don't worry, I've got everything figured out, so let's jump right into the tutorial. As you can see, my hair is not at its best, but it serves the purpose for this video in terms of how I'm going to transform this hair into something fabulous. So I separated my hair into 2 and I did apply gel on my edges just to let it lay down because my hair can be a bit stubborn sometimes. I did brush it down and then created the band on top. The band is to allow me attach the artificial hair or the hair extensions onto it to create the style. So please do watch from here. I use the Eco Styler gel, but please do use any gel of your choice or any gel that you have. It just does not add anything to the hairstyle. It's to allow the edges to lay down, and whatever works for you, please go ahead and use that. Well, I'm 4C hair, which means the hair is not going to willingly lay flat. I've got to restrain this hair, and that's why I'm using the scarf. The struggle can be real sometimes. Now let's create the magic. So I take some hair extensions and create a band on top of my hair. This doesn't really have to be perfect because we're going to cover it anyway, so just create the band and secure it with a bobby pin or bobby pins. Now take the scarf and wrap your hair like I'm doing. This hairstyle is so simple, cute and easy to do, and it's quick as well. I feel like everybody can do it. So long as you give it a try, I'm sure you can do it. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. I find it very cute and so simple to do. What do you think? So for the second style, I did separate the hair extensions into 2 and created like a twisted pompadour in front of my head and then wrapped it with the hair scarf. So please do watch and see how I demonstrate this. Thank you. For this hairstyle, I decided to tuck in the hair at the back to give the hairstyle a bit more dimension, and that's what I'm doing before wrapping the hair. What do you think about style 2? I love all these styles. I know it's going to save a lot of you ladies the stress of not knowing what to do, especially when you're desperate to do something with your hair. And the good news is you can do this yourself in the comfort of your own home. I love this. What do you think? Now let's move on to style 3. I use the same hair extensions, This time I twisted it towards the side of my face. I secured it with bobby pins, then wrapped it with a head scarf. Please watch from here and let's talk later. Again, this is so easy and simple to do, yet very cute. It will literally take you very little time to do it, literally minutes to do it, I promise. So for the final and fourth hairstyle, I created like a fringe. It was a bit long, so I did cut the hair a bit and secure that with bobby pins, wrap the hair with a scarf. Voila, we're good to go. I am so excited to share these 4 simple, relatable and practical hairstyle you can do every day for every occasion. Please don't keep this as a secret. Share this video with your loved ones, every woman you know, our aunties, our cousins, our friends, everybody that you know, because I know they will benefit from it. So let's do it. I did enjoy filming this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Let's keep talking, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing because I have amazing videos coming up on this channel. And please like, comment and share, and I will see you in my next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Have a great week. Bye.